Welcome to the session on personal OKRs and accountability. Today, we'll discuss how each team member's contributions directly tie into achieving the team's OKRs. Each of you plays a vital role in our team's success. Your individual contributions are the building blocks of our team's OKRs. Think about how your daily tasks and responsibilities contribute to our team's objectives. How can you align your efforts to support these goals more effectively? Now, let's talk about how OKRs will be a part of individual performance reviews. This connection between personal growth, team success, and company achievements is essential. OKRs are not just about setting goals, they are about driving performance and growth. By integrating OKRs into reviews, we can track progress. Your personal growth is directly linked to the success of our team and the organization. When you achieve your individual OKRs, you contribute to overall success. Let's move on to drafting your individual OKRs. This exercise will help you set clear, measurable, and achievable key results that align with our team goals. Take a few minutes to reflect on our team's OKRs and think about how your role contributes to these objectives. Write down 1 to 3 high-level objectives that are ambitious, inspirational, and align with our team's strategy. As you draft your OKRs, consider how your individual contributions can support the team's objectives. Think about the impact of your work. Feel free to ask for feedback or clarification if you need help refining your objectives and key results. This exercise is an opportunity to take ownership of your contributions.